In this video, we're going to show you how to determine a Python variable's type. So there's two basic techniques here. The most straightforward one is just use the type function. And I create three different variables: a float, a string, and then a path object to give you a flavor of what it's going to show up here. So it's going to come back with class float, class str, string, and class POSIX path. Now, that's good enough most of the time, especially when you're checking simple types, but isinstance comes into play when there's inheritance. So you've got an animal class and then a dog class. It's a subclass of the animal. Now, if you try to check the type of my dog equal to dog, well, yes, it is. But if you want to find out if it's equal to animal, no, it's not, because that's an inherited class. But if you do isinstance and you pass in my dog and then animal, it will come back true. Therefore, you can detect inherited classes with isinstance, whereas you can't with type. So that's it in a nutshell. Hope you learned something. Smash that like button below so I can help more people. Subscribe to this channel if you hadn't, and I'll see you in the next one.